If you want a hot drink in seconds, it's yours at the touch of a button with the Breville Hot Cup or Breville Hot Cup with Brita filter. Smart, stylish and beautifully designed, these are the ideal addition to your kitchen because unlike kettles, if you only want a cup or two, then that's all the hot cup will boil, even if you want to fill it to its extra large 2-litre capacity. It's easy to use and it's extremely fast. Choose from 9 cup sizes by turning the dial to the setting you want, and the right amount will boil in seconds. No pouring, no mess. Plus, if you're a fan of filtered water, you can choose our 1.8-litre capacity Brita filter model for a purer tasting drink, however hard or soft the water. And you'll always know when the long-lasting filter cartridge needs replacing. The Breville Hot Cup and Hot Cup with Brita filter. Fill less often, save more energy and boil the amount you want at the touch of a button.
Introducing Accent's 1 Cup, the stylish way to heat and dispense 1 cup of water at a time. Accent's 1 Cup will save you valuable time, money and energy on every refreshing hot drink you make. By only boiling the right amount of water required, Accent's 1 Cup uses up to 70% less energy than a standard kettle. A variable volume selector determines precisely how much water needs to be dispensed, depending on the size of your cup. Just push the power button and in only 45 seconds, the cup will be full of hot water, ready to mix with tea, coffee, lemon or anything else you like to drink. If at any point you wish to stop the heating process or you feel there is enough hot water in your cup, simply press the stop button and the water flow will cease. The stainless steel body with black trim brings iconic style to any kitchen, while details such as the LED spotlight illumination are as functional as they are visually enticing. Matching appliances are also available in this range, so you can apply the stunning Accent's design theme throughout your kitchen. Accent's 1 Cup has a 1.8-litre water tank that will hold enough water for up to 6 cups, so you won't need to fill it up constantly. A 360-degree lift-off reservoir makes it quick and easy to remove and top up with water whenever you need to. If you spill any water, it will be caught in the magnetic drip tray beneath the cup. This is also easy to remove when you want to empty any spilled liquids. Non-slip feet on the base of the machine means the Accent's 1 Cup will stay safely on your kitchen work surface, while the cord can be stored directly on the device, so it's easy to move to another location. Accent's 1 Cup from Morphy Richards. Enjoy hot drinks 1 cup at a time and save time, money and energy in the process.
If you like to have a freshly made drink first thing to start the day, this is the perfect wake-up call. Gently waking you with a gradual dawn wake-up light, the alarm alerts you to the fact that your drinks are on their way. Just set the time you need. Hot water will be dispensed to brew fresh tea or coffee. Ideal for either 1 or 2 cups, the Wake Cup has a handy tray for resting used spoons and tea bags, and a flask to keep milk cool overnight. Once you've tried it, you won't want to start the day any other way. The Wake Cup Drinks Maker. Hot drinks freshly made by your bedside. What could be better?